Okay, yes, I'm in my little room. Hubby's at work, and I'm here laying down in the little room thinking, doing a lot of thinking. Well, tomorrow's the 9th, 10 more days before my birthday. By the grace of God, I know I will see my birthday. So, today I went and got my gym gears and ready to start hitting the gym. My legs, my body's fine, but my legs, I want them to be tighter. So this is my goal. I'm going to start going to the gym early in the morning so I can strengthen my legs and tuck my tummy a little bit by doing real exercise. Games on. I'm praying I'll go tomorrow. So the day I start, which I'm hoping is tomorrow, I will start my video on. Yes.